Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Sorry, that was a misclick. Tap on the System. Right now we have to tap on Advanced, and here we've got Reset Options. On the very second position we've got Reset Up Preferences, so simply tap on it, and now your device is telling me that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so if you're ready, tap on Reset Apps, and actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. If you found that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.